Imagine this: stones weighing over 1,500 tons, cut into the bedrock, but never moved, while others still over 800 tons were transported and set into a massive temple platform over 2,000 years ago. In Baalbek, Lebanon, ancient Heliopolis, these structures still stand today. But here's what doesn't add up. The temple visible today was built by the Romans, around the 1st century BCE to the 1st century CE. Yet beneath it, there is a massive stone platform. And this is where it gets interesting. Some researchers suggest parts of this foundation may predate the Roman construction, possibly linked to earlier local cultures in the region. But this is still debated and not fully confirmed. And this changes how we look at the site, because within this platform, 3 enormous stones, known as the trilithon, each weighing around 750 to 800 tons, are precisely set into the wall. Each over 19 meters long, carefully shaped and aligned. But here's the real question: how were stones this size moved into place? Because they were not cut here. They were carved in a quarry nearly a kilometer away. Now imagine that again, moving hundreds of tons without modern machinery. And this is where things get even more unusual, because the stones used in the temple are not the largest ones found at the site. Back in the quarry, even larger blocks remain, unfinished. One of them, often called the Stone of the Pregnant Woman, is estimated at around 1,000 tons. Nearby, another exceeds 1,200 tons. And a third, discovered in 2014, may reach over 1,500 tons. But here's what most people miss: none of these largest stones were ever moved. So now the question becomes, if they were capable of moving 800-ton blocks, why leave behind even larger ones? Researchers suggest several possibilities. The quarry sits slightly higher than the temple, which may have allowed controlled downhill transport. Techniques such as sledges, rollers, and earthen ramps could have been used to guide the stones into position. And the temple itself was constructed over time, not all at once. But even with these explanations, something still feels incomplete, because the scale goes beyond what was necessary for structural support alone. So this raises a deeper question: was this purely engineering, or a deliberate display of power, designed to leave an impression that lasted thousands of years? Because at Baalbek, the quarry shows intention, but the temple doesn't fully explain it. And this raises another question: if some parts of the foundation are older than the Roman temple, then how much of this structure belongs to a story we still don't fully understand?